What is it?
Mr. President, General Morgan, we have a situation developing in Seattle.
A situation, General?
Communications have been sketchy, but it appears that Russian troops have managed to sneak into port using disguised cargo ships.
Let me get this clear. You're saying that we have Soviet soldiers on American soil, General? That we've been invaded?
Yes, sir. It seems more are coming in. We have precious few units in the area, and they're putting up what resistance they can.
My God. What are our options?
They're rather limited, sir. If we start pulling divisions back from Europe, we'll lose what control do we...
I know. But don't we have anything to defend our own country with?
I've ordered what units that we have to go west, sir.
Who's leading them?
Colonel Sawyers, sir. He's as tough as they come.
Well, he better be. Assemble the staff. Situation room, 20 minutes.
Very well, Mr. President.
We fled east with the darkening sky behind us lighted by the many fires downtown. Some have later called the retreat organized, but I think it only seemed that way because we were all running in the same direction. Seattle was lost the moment those ships entered the harbor, and there was never any real chance of our holding the city. I try not to think about all those we were forced to leave behind. Captain Bannon kept us in a semblance of order, but I'll never know whether we were actually obeying his commands or they just happened to coincide with what we all thought best. We followed the freeway into the suburbs, with the war close on our heels. Some artillery had already landed in the area, and I remember seeing a broken swing set lying on its side, next to a blackened crater. I think that was when it hit me. We had been invaded, and nothing would ever be the same again.
Wow, that's a lot of people. They better get a move on or the commies will pound them to pieces. I guess it's on us to protect them. Damn civvies. Wonder when Colonel Sawyer will get here. We need the reinforcements, but I could do without him. Continue toward the bridgehead, Parker. Get some defenses up by the freeway. Won't be long before the commies get here.
Friendly trucks leaving. This vehicle is ready. Yes, sir.
Fit for fight, sir. Marching on with them. Moving to position. We're gonna sprint to the target.
Armors come to leaving. Armors, yes, sir. Leave.
Shield up and ready.
Awaiting commands.
Things are getting moved fast. Get a move on, Parker. We need to get these positions up ASAP. Looks like the commies have caught up with us, people. Some Russian scouts have been spotted not far from here. Nothing to be worried about yet, but I get the feeling more are on the way. M16, locked and stay low. Go! God damn it, they're here already. Return fire. And remember, we don't have any reinforcements to call on, Parker.
Enemy defeated, sir.
This is a hail of fire. Move! What?
Starting with the repairs. This vehicle patching them up, sir. Troop kit rolling, starting with the repairs.
Enemy target destroyed, sir.
Pushing drive!
Parker, the Russians have gathered a lot of civilians at some houses not far from here. Now they're putting them on school buses. We have to get to them before the commies take them away.
Orange rolling into combat. Going to push it, sir.
We took out the target.
Bradley, roll! Moving as ordered. Moving out.
Hostile target destroyed.
That's a spirit, Parker! Get him! Kill all of them so we can get those civvies out of there!
Take out the target.
Keep moving. Repairing them now. We're busy with the repairs now. Want to fast transport someone? Patching them up, sir. Starting with the repairs.
Roll, leaving, rolling, departing.
Good job, Parker! At least you can do something right.
Going to push it, sir.
Eagle 6 to Captain Bannon. Give me a sitrep.
Bannon here. We're engaged at the bridge and we're trying to get a bunch of civilians out of the area before the Russians come in force. Come in, Parker. Russian infantry has been sighted near a house belonging to General Levinson. I just talked to him. His family is still there and they must be evacuated before it's too late. Wonder where those bastards got his address.
Rolling, sit upon roll, lead. Target overrun. Armored transport joining. Shoot fire. Engage. Fire.
Things are getting up. Firing armor piercing now. Yeah, let's get it now.
Armored transport. Engage the
Kill the
target.
hostile, sir.
Fire attack. Go. Bradley, push. Go. Departing.
We need some more. Repairing them now. Get busy with the repairs
Hostiles
now.
neutralized.
Come on, Anton, come on, move! Get them out of there! Get them out of there now, move! Come on, hurry, hurry, there's no time! Wait up! Here you go.
Good! You got him out! I'll let the General know that his family is safe. Now, see to the rest of the evacuees.
Understood, Captain. Get those civvies across. We're moving into the area now, and I can call in some fire support for you.
Roger that, sir. Parker, we have to hold the bridgehead while the buses move across. Don't let any Russians through.
Consider it done, sir.
Okay, people, this is how we'll do it. Parker, you deal with the ground forces as best you can. Bannon, if you see any units that Parker can't handle, radio their position to me, and I'll relay it to the artillery.
The school buses carrying the evacuees have started moving across the bridge, Colonel.
Good. Don't let the Russians through. They're using helicopters to drop troops on our side, but we'll make sure the road is clear. Eagle 6, out.
Evasive maneuver!
That tank is through.
Target is
I'm airlifting reinforcements to your position, Parker. Make good use of them.
I have infantry in the woods to the north.
I reach you, Captain. Target marked.
Now, spinning those tracks.
Kill the hostile, sir.
Sure, going to push it, sir. Rolling around. Your order. Rolling around. Heading to coordinates.
hostile defeated.
Armor approaching from the northwest.
I've got your target coordinates. Fire support incoming. Stay low.
Things are getting ugly down here, sir. What is it?
Hostile defeated.
Repairing them now. We need some orders, sir. Yeah, we're here. Mechanic.
Parker, Ivan is sending a large amphibious force across the lake. Be prepared.
Starting with the repairs.
Hurry up. Launch that tow.
Sir, the vehicle is neutralized.
Target overrun.
Enemy is
You're
changed.
doing good, everyone. The buses are almost across.
Hostile defeated.
Destroy armor transport ready. Your order. Get down. Fire that bus now. Destroy the target.
Eagle 6, heavy armor to the south.
Message received. Good call, Captain.
That vehicle is firing at us.
Mechanic engaging in repairs.
Hostile
Get
target
busy with the
destroyed.
repairs now.
evacuees are safe. Now we can focus on killing Russians. We've handled the first wave, but there will be more coming. Meet me near the bridgehead in 10.
Mechanic is in place, sir. Start repairs.
Here he comes.
Lieutenant Parker, good to see you alive. And Captain Bannon, seems I can't get rid of you.
Seems that way, Colonel.
Well, from what I gathered, you did a decent job in organizing the retreat, but I'm prepared to let bygones be bygones. Screw up again, though, and you'll pay.
I won't, Colonel.
We'll see. This is Captain James Webb, and this is First Lieutenant Parker and Captain Bannon. They fought with me in Europe.
I hear it was tough going over there. Sorry I missed it.
You shouldn't be.
We need to see about blowing that bridge so the Russians don't roll over it. Get back to your units. We'll take it from there. You there! What's your unit?
Washington National Guard, sir.
Don't matter. I need an orderly and you're in. Get your stuff. We're moving.
Come on, man.
Now, soldier. Bannon, what the hell were you thinking fortifying that position?
Sir, it was Parker who...
Never mind. We can use a forward position there to delay the Soviet main force when it arrives. That would be the perfect job for you and your tanks, Bannon. Get over there now.
Yes, sir. Bannon out.
Webb and Parker, Ivan's gonna come down that freeway like a cannonball on fire, and we have to delay him long enough for the bridge to be blown. If we let his heavy armor get across, the entire state will fall before we know it. Understood?
Affirmative, sir. Come on, Parker. We'll dig in on the other side.
For your protection, sir. Moving.
Parker, I'm leaving some of our reserves to you. Call in what reinforcements you need.
For your protection. Driving quickly. But, sir.
Good going, Parker. Now get those shovels out.
This is Eagle 6. It looks like we're gonna be here for a while. I've contacted the Air Force to see if they can help us blow the bridge, but they failed to respond so far.
Sir, can't we just leave that bridge and get out of here?
If we do, Washington State is lost, Bannon. I thought I made that clear. You are to hold until told otherwise, Captain.
Moving fast.
Understood, sir.
Your reinforcements are on the way, Parker. They'll be landing shortly. Stay clear of the area. Lieutenant Parker, we have to do something about those Soviet helicopters. I just got a line on some out-of-service anti-air batteries in the area. If you could fix them up, we might get rid of those choppers once and for all.
Hostile target defeated.
We finally got some air defenses up. See if you can fix the rest of them, Parker.
We got the hostiles. Troop carrier waiting for orders. Yes, sir. Will do.
Defeated.
Destroyed a target.
Good to see those AA guns back in action, Lieutenant.
Thunder in gear.
Incoming.
This is Eagle 6. Good job. Now hold them back while I see about getting that bridge below sea level. Our air defenses are fully functional again, and Ivan has ceased sending his choppers into the area. All thanks to you, Parker. Excellent job.
You're the man, Parker. I got an M60 tank attached to my company, but you probably need it more than we do. I'll tell those men you're in command instead of me.
Enemy target destroyed. Hostile defeated. This is Bannon. How long are we supposed to stay here by ourselves?
Until I say so, Captain, you should be happy to be here considering what you have to answer for. Now focus on killing the enemy.
Affirmative, sir. Bannon out. Tommies are so damn fast. They must have dropped airborne units all over the city. We'll be cut off if we stay here much longer. Can't we drop that bridge now?
I'm seeing to that, Captain. Now stay in place and calm down.
of them are coming our way.
We need some orders. Repairing them now.
Parker, the local hospital hasn't been evacuated yet, and Ivan is closing in. Get over there and set up a perimeter while they finish the evacuation. Webb will have to hold the bridgehead by himself in the meantime.
Mechanic is in place, sir.
Not a problem, Colonel.
The mechanic is in place, sir. Starting repairs.
Hurry up, Parker. They need your help.
A lot of civilians won't get out of the city in time.
I think those civvies are in for some rough times, Colonel.
Yeah, we must try to evacuate as many as possible.
Heading out, sir.
That soldier is dead. Grand leaving. Awaiting command. Rolling.
Parker, Ivan is dropping airborne troops at several different locations, but our scouts have pinpointed their rally points. Put some shells on those targets, Lieutenant.
Russian airborne infantry spotted, Parker. They've dropped behind our position.
Use artillery or whatever you have, Parker, but make sure Ivan doesn't get organized or will be hard put to defend this bridge. Good. The evacuation is underway. Secure the position and hold until it's complete.
Armor and tracks
Need a
all
no-fly
moving.
zone, sir.
Wait, go! What now, sir?
Killed an enemy vehicle.
Destroy the target.
You got him running, Parker. Move on to the next target.
Shit, roll!
What
That's a
now?
confirmed kill. Enemy down.
Destroy the target.
Bradley here, sir. Yeah, got it. Awaiting command.
Under attack.
We need orders. Ready with phosphorus.
Defeated an
Ready
enemy,
with
sir.
phosphorus round now. Ready with phosphorus.
We're under attack.
Unit lost.
Armored transport enemy targeted. Destroy the target. Under attack.
Where should we put providing ground support with our guns? Firing armor piercing now.
That's another rally point they won't be gathering at. Well done, Lieutenant. Bang on target, Parker. Good job.
Activated.
We're getting busy with the repairs now.
Hurry up. Your order. Fire
Enemy
up.
missile
Medium
launch.
armor. Yeah, got it. We're blocking out.
We lost a unit.
Not many left, Parker. You're doing well.
Hostile defeated.
Target overrun.
Parker, Ivan is pushing forward. Fight them back and retake that position. Good job, Lieutenant. You just bought us some precious time. It'll take hours before those airborne troops get organized.
Armored transport ready.
Defeated an enemy,
They
sir.
got a target.
That was the last of them. Well done, Lieutenant.
Lockdown, shells on the way.
Lost a
Eagle
unit.
6! Eagle 6! We're under heavy attack! I got commies all over the place! Looks like the whole Soviet army needs backup now!
Calm down, Captain. Parker will call in fire support for you. Stay in place, and he'll help you deal with the attack.
Roger that, sir!
Parker, Webb will take temporary command of your forces while you focus on using all available fire support to halt Ivan's attack. The Air Force will bomb the bridge, but we have to hold until they get here.
Roger. Orders received. Tank buster in transit. Target
Hell
area.
yeah! Take that, you commie bastards!
On target, Lieutenant. Keep it coming.
Cease fire! Cease fire! What coordinates are you sending, Parker? You're hitting us instead of the enemy!
Check those coordinates, Lieutenant. Don't let it happen again, or I'll relieve you of command.
Understood. We're inbound. Phoenix out.
This is Bannon! We're falling back platoon-wise! Keep that fire incoming until we're across!
Parker, I want you to destroy all strategic targets in the area. Oil tanks, gas stations, electrical substations, and the like. Ivan might have taken Seattle, but we won't make it easy for him.
The enemy is gone. Phoenix out.
Taste some American lead, you son of a bitch! Parker, where the hell is that fire support? My people can't handle this by themselves!
Zulu Niner out.
Whoa! That's some explosion.
That's what I want to see, Parker. Scorched earth.
Hostile tanks designated as primary target. Copy. Zulu Niner firing orders.
Call in a fire danger close, Parker! We can take it!
Mission
First
complete.
platoon clear! Second platoon, start moving!
Lieutenant, the Russians are throwing everything they have into the attack. Call in fire support now!
This is Zulu Niner.
Insane! We have to fall back faster!
There are thousands of civilians behind us trying to get away. If we fall back now, they're gonna get caught in the fight. Do you want that to happen?
But there's too many of them!
You faced worse odds before, haven't you?
He's right, Bannon. Now pull yourself together.
I will, Colonel! There's so goddamn many of them! We need all the fire support we can get, Parker! More, you hear? Fan it out!
Excellent, Parker. We've denied Ivan a lot of important resources.
I just scraped the target area. Over.
Second platoon is made it across! I'm sending third now!
Enemy target is no more. Phoenix out. A perfect artillery hit. Keep those coordinates coming. Roger that. Delivering a rain of shells at target coordinates. Roger that. I have enemy tanks on my scope. Over and out. Artillery barrage hit for full effect.
The Russians have overthrown our position, Parker. Reclaim it!
Nice shoot. Direct hit on hostiles. Turning the base for reload. Hunter out.
I have Russian forces inside the perimeter! Get some shells on them before they dig in, Parker!
Artillery barrage inbound. Enemy units in the target area are destroyed. Enemy units in target area got hit hard. Roger. Coordinates received. Tank buster in transit.
This is Bannon! All my people have made it across!
Good. Take up positions around the bridge.
We should have left earlier!
Shut up, Captain. The B-52s are incoming. As soon as the bridge is down, we'll fall back to the next rally point. Button up, everyone.
That's gonna take a while to rebuild.
Yeah. What's that thing?
This, my friend, is a portable CD player.
Portable?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
What's the sound like?
I'd show you, but the batteries are dead. I wish I could find some new ones.
Watch out! Stow away that toy, soldier! But it's from my daughter, sir! Go! I should stow him away, cabron.
Goddamn maniac. Let's see if we can get a ride back to the rallying point.
Yeah, I need to get back to HQ.